What's up guys, Greg with Pizzles Tech Time, back again with another video, and today we're looking at another massager. This one is portable and lightweight. It's by SKG, and it's called the G7pro. The G7pro is a neckband massager capable of vibration massage, red light therapy, heat, as well as TENS therapy muscle stimulation. Now I was sent this for review, but you guys know that's not going to affect my opinion. At least I'm going to do my absolute best so it does not. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing, and then I'm going to try the product on. I'm going to show you what it looks like, and then I'm going to tell you how it feels and how I'm actually enjoying using it, and if I would recommend it for you guys to actually buy yourselves. Right now I'm filming on the Canon R5C in 8K RAW, 60 FPS. This should be pretty cool to actually edit. SKG makes massager products, and you can find their products on Amazon. If you'd like to purchase this product, I'll have a link for it down below, and I'm going to let you guys know if I think this product gives me relief or if there's a use case scenario that I would use this frequently, enough that I would actually purchase it, guys. So my name's Greg. I do tech videos weekly in 4K, maybe even 8K, to keep you guys well informed and entertained. Let's just get right down into the unboxing, guys. Let's go. And today I'm in my office with the SKG G7pro E. Really interesting product for me because I get a lot of migraines and a lot of neck pain. This is going to be a neck massager, SKG, and there's another box under there. So far the packaging is pretty nice, and let's open that up. Perfect. So let's just take the knife and let's open this bad Larry up. SKG G7pro, and it's a shiny little box. We've got some stuff on the back here. Very, very nice packaging, I must say. We are greeted with this with a QR code, so that's great. And we have a little foam cover. Oh my god, the smells unbelievable. That's a really good smell. It's like that factory smell. Here we have the massager. Just take that out of the box. Very nice packaging. Let's give a round of applause for SKG here. So we have the massager itself right here, and build quality looks pretty good. It is plastic all around, and these are in like a movable position. We have USB-C, looks like a lock button. The buttons to control this bad Larry right here. Open this, see what this comes with. So yep, just a charging cable, nothing else in there. 2-foot USB-C, normal quality here. And let's see if we can plug this in. And to charge this bad Larry, you're gonna plug the USB-C right there. Using the V-mount battery to charge this. And there is a little blinking red light there to indicate that it's charging. So we're going to show options, we're going to open link. Actually going to take you right to Google, so that's cool. And the app is called Future Wear. So far so good here. Welcome, Future Wear helps you get the best out of your connected devices. So we've got to put in an email address. Okay, so look at that. It picked up the neck massager right away. Okay, it cannot work while it's charging, so that's probably a safety thing. Build quality is good. Even though it's all plastic, it's very light and it feels pretty strong. It doesn't feel weak. We have some intensity levels and stuff like that. Timer, mode, relieve, and we can pause it. So now let's see, device name, firmware. This is the latest version, okay. And the battery life, so this thing came with about 3/4 battery. So we will finish charging this up and then we will give it a shot. We took a look at this SKG G7pro. Super lightweight when it's around your neck. You will not even feel it. I started using this thing all day, literally every half hour I would restart it. I use the application to control the device. If you've ever been to the chiropractor, they put these little pads on your body and then they send an electrical signal through that and it stimulates your muscles. This device actually has that. I love this thing. I didn't realize it had the pulse stimulator technology. I read it, but I was kind of in auto drive. So I figured this out like my third time looking at the app. You can put this thing to an intensity that it's almost unbearable. It's tensing every single muscle in your neck. Today I have a little bit of a headache, which I suffer with about every couple days. And I just got back on a migraine shot. So my whole life is just trying to have days that I'm in less pain with my shoulder, my neck, and my migraines. I've got to tell you, this thing is on the same level as the space helmet that I reviewed last year or so. I actually like this thing better, and let me tell you why. It's small, it heats up super fast, it charges USB-C, and the battery can last literally all day. I ran this all day long and I was loving it. It really is soothing. And then when you really are relaxed, you want to turn on that tens. It's so weird to say tens. So you're gonna turn on that tens and it's gonna stimulate the muscles in your neck. This product was fantastically designed. And the tens is not for everybody. I'm a person who has used this a lot in my life, so I know how beneficial it can be for muscles that are sore from like text neck or migraines. This thing is gonna be amazing for that. And honestly, I'm so happy that I got this. Although I did get this for review, I would definitely purchase this if I hadn't already got it for review. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. 100% with neck pain and migraines, this definitely is offering me a lot of relief. And I'm going to use this in conjunction with the helmet, but I think I'm going to use this a lot more because you can still use it when you sit on the couch. I used this while I was driving. This thing is so versatile. I got to give a shout out to SKG because this thing just changed my life. And I'm not even exaggerating one bit. I'm super excited to use this thing. I'm using a specialized audio recorder, so this is going to be a little tricky in the editing for me. But let's get back to it. The build quality of this thing is amazing. It has like a rubberized texture. It is plastic and it spreads and it doesn't seem to be bulking at all, like it's going to snap. I mean, if you bend it all the way, it could snap. These things are seated in pretty well and they do move based on where your neck is. When you change a setting on this, it says something audible. I'll show you right here.
Power on.
Okay.
Power on.
I could be wrong, but I don't see a mic on this. I don't think it's voice control. I think the menu is read out to you, so when it's on your neck, you know what you're doing. I've got to say, guys, color me impressed on this one. If you can have this for $100 to $120, whatever the price is, I would definitely buy one. And I think if you have a lot of migraines and neck pain, this thing could definitely give you a lot of relief. I tested all the functions on this and they all work really well. And the application for your cell phone is super easy. So the pros of this thing are going to be the price. What you get for the money is amazing. The build quality is awesome. All the different features, you're getting the tens, the heat, the red light, the massage, the vibration massage. Everything is adjustable via an app. And all you have to do is open the app every time the device is on. This thing is super easy to use. It's super well made. And I don't have anything bad to say about this other than the tens is not for everybody. If you don't like intense muscle stimulation, you might not like this. But the good thing is you can turn it off. I was actually using this thing without realizing it had tens. And I was enjoying the heat, the vibration, and the red light. It was giving me a lot of relief and making me very comfortable. And, you know, I'm super happy with this product. I'll have it linked down below if you're interested in purchasing it. Those are affiliate links. They do help the channel grow by supplying me with a little bit of percentage of income, but it doesn't cost you anything. So I'd greatly appreciate if you shop using the links below. Also, don't want to waste too much of your time here, but please hit the like button and subscribe. These videos take a lot to make, and it would really mean the world to me if you would subscribe and like the video. It definitely helps me keep going and making different content. Questions and comments below. My name's Greg with Pizzle's Tech Time. Thanks SKG for sending this product out to me, and until next time, I'm out. Peace.
Pre-flag, fly, let your pre-flag, fly, let your pre-flag, fly, let your pre-flag, fly.